Okay girls, in this video I'm going to draw a sketch map, and I'm going to draw a sketch map of the 2020 mock paper map, which was the map of Bandon, and the questions at higher level and ordinary level were very similar. For higher level you had to draw in the N71 road, built up area and the River Bandon and deciduous woodland. That's for higher level, and for ordinary level you had to draw in an area of coniferous plantation instead. So they were very similar sketch maps. They're following the same process of doing them. I'm going to upload these steps for you on how to do a sketch map beside the video when I get a chance. But the first step when you're drawing a sketch map is to draw the same shape as the OS map, and it should be 1/4 the size. In other words, it should be half the length of the OS map and half the width of the OS map as well. So you need to find the measurement of both of those, and you need then to divide both measurements by 2. So I'm going to start here at the very bottom, and the very bottom line is 26 centimeters in length, which means that for my sketch the bottom line here should be 13 centimeters. So I'm going to get my sketch map started, and I'm going to draw a straight line of 13 centimeters. So I'm just going to bring that up into view, so hopefully you can see it there on the video. And then I'm going to measure this line up here. This line is 18 centimeters, so divide that measurement by 2 and you get 9. So instead of having 26 by 18, I now have a sketch map that is 1/4 the size of the original, because I get half the length and half the width, and half by half gives you 1/4 when you multiply them out together. So this will be the frame then of my sketch map. Again, this top line is 13. And this is then 9. Okay, so that's the frame of my sketch map drawn. Now when you're doing this in an exam, you'll obviously be doing it to your booklet, so you'll have to maybe be a bit more careful with space than I'm being here. So step 1 we have done. Half the length and half the width. So step 2 then is lots more straightforward. Give your sketch map a title. So in this one here, it will be a sketch map of Bandon, and Bandon is in County Cork. Okay. Step 3 then. Okay. Step 2 is done. Step 3, divide the OS map into 3 equal sections along the horizontal line and 3 equal sections along the vertical line. So now I know that this line here is 13 centimeters. So we need to do our best to divide this 13 centimeters along the bottom into 3 equal sections. So if you do 13 divided by 3, you can do it in your calculator either. It will give you an awkward number. It'll give you 4 1/3. So you have to work as best you can with that. So 4 1/3 would be about 4 and maybe 3 millimeters, 4 centimeters and 3 millimeters. So I'm going to mark it off there, and I'm going to mark off 4 and a bit millimeters again over here. And I'm going to lightly just draw in a vertical line. And again here, I'm going to lightly draw in a vertical line. Okay, I'm doing the same here. Now this is a lot more straightforward. This length here is 9 centimeters. So 9 divided by 3 gives you 3 centimeters. So I need to break this into 3 sections of 3 centimeters each. So 3 and 3. And then I'm going to draw a light vertical line across here, and a light vertical line, or sorry, horizontal line across here. So I now have my sketch broken up into 9 sections, and then step 4 is to divide the sketch, the OS map in the same way. So again, this is 18 centimeters. Sorry, this is 26 centimeters on the bottom. I beg your pardon. So 26 divided by 3 will give you 8 and about 2/3. So I need to do my best to break this up into 8 and 2/3. That will be that mark there, and I'm going to put a big as heavy a line as I can through that there. And you should always be doing this in pencil. All sketches should be done in pencil, by the way. So you may not be able to see that well, but then another 8 and 2/3 centimeters here. And draw up a vertical line. What you're doing basically on the sketch map and the OS map is breaking it into 9 equal pieces, 9 equal rectangles. Now, like the last sketch, this piece is a lot easier to divide by 3. So this is 18 centimeters, and 18 divided by 3 should give you 6 centimeters. So you need to divide this into mark off 6 centimeters, and then mark off another 6 at the 12 centimeter mark, and draw a line straight across. So now you have your sketch map and your OS map divided into 9 equal pieces. Okay, now that might be very difficult for some of you to see there. I have both divided into 9 pieces. My lines on my OS map are very faint.